Raptors. It's Raptor Attack here. Today we're going to be making a video with Bird and Emu. And all our chickens, our ducks and rooster. Come here, Bird. Look, this is Bird and Emu. And we're building her, we're building her a thing. Come here, Bird. Come here, Bird. Come here, Bird. Bird. Bird, where are you going? It's still a baby. What's up, Marshmallow? Bird, come back. Bird.
You step right over that, huh? It's like, nope. I'm trucking along, getting away.
Bird.
Want your food?
Bailey, say cheese. Say cheese, Bailey. This chicken Reese Puff. Look at its afro. It's got an afro. Oh, where'd it go? Oh. Look at it. Look at Reese Puff. Oh, sorry, Mike. Oh. Look at all the other chickens. Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for our video.